Welcome to our rice cooker showdown. Today we're diving into a comparison between two popular rice cookers, the Zojirushi Neuro Fuzzy and the CUCKOO Micom. We'll look at their features, cooking capabilities, and overall value to help you determine which one is the best choice for your needs. Whether you're cooking for a large family or just for yourself, we've got you covered. When it comes to capacity, the Zojirushi Neuro Fuzzy stands out with its impressive 10-cup uncooked capacity, making it perfect for large families or gatherings. In contrast, the CUCKOO Micom is designed for smaller households, with a capacity of just 3 cups uncooked, which is ideal for singles or couples. This significant difference in capacity is a key factor to consider based on your cooking needs. Next, let's talk about price. The Zojirushi Neuro Fuzzy is a premium option at $327, reflecting its advanced technology and high capacity. On the other hand, the CUCKOO Micom is much more budget-friendly at just $109. This makes the CUCKOO a great choice for those looking for quality without breaking the bank, especially if you don't need the larger capacity of the Zojirushi. Finally, let's examine the technology behind these cookers. The Zojirushi features advanced neuro-fuzzy logic technology, allowing it to adjust cooking times and temperatures for optimal results. In contrast, the CUCKOO uses standard fuzzy logic technology, which is effective but not as advanced. This difference can impact the cooking performance, especially for various rice types and textures. In conclusion, the choice between the Zojirushi Neuro Fuzzy and the CUCKOO Micom rice cookers ultimately depends on your cooking needs and budget. If you need a high-capacity cooker with advanced features, the Zojirushi is worth the investment. However, if you're looking for a compact and affordable option, the CUCKOO Micom is an excellent choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.